So today's recipe is hummus pasta. Hummus pasta is a healthy, vegan and gluten-free recipe. So let's see how to make it. So the first thing that we need to do is to boil our pasta. I've taken a pan and added water in it, to which I am adding some salt. You can use any kind of pasta. Here I am using 1.5 cups of penne. To make this recipe even more healthier, it is advisable to use whole wheat pasta. So I will give it a good stir and will let it cook. So now that my pasta is all done, I will reserve about 1 cup of pasta water to make my paste. And now that the pasta is done, I will strain it and keep it aside. In a pan, I have added about 2 tablespoons of oil, to which I am going to add about 6 to 7 finely chopped garlic. Once my garlic is done, I am going to add about 1 medium finely chopped onion. You can use any vegetables which you want. You can add zucchini, mushrooms, broccoli, but in this recipe I am adding just spinach to it. I've taken about a handful of baby spinach. It will take about 1 or 2 minutes for it to cook. To that I am adding very less salt because hummus and pasta both have some salt in them. So the next step is to add garlic hummus, which I'm adding about half cup. The link to the recipe for garlic hummus is on the top right corner. Now I'm going to add about half cup of the reserved pasta water to make my sauce. We will mix it well to avoid any lumps. If you want even thicker consistency, you can add more hummus, but I will restrict it to half cup. Once it's done, I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes. It is completely optional. If you want more spicy, you can add more. To that, I am adding about half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon black pepper powder. We will give it a good mix. Now my hummus sauce is ready. To this, I will add my boiled penne pasta. I actually boiled my pasta a while ago, so because of that, it has clumped together. So my healthy vegan hummus pasta is ready to be served. It is also a very good diet food also, so you can enjoy it while you are on a weight loss journey.